Hello everybody, in this video we'll continue our journey to be certified as a professional cloud security engineer from Google Cloud. We'll speak how to secure our application on Google Cloud. So we will have a demo about web security scanner. So in our demo we have a VM, a virtual machine that have a web application. This web application have a cross-site scripting issue. So I'm just making an SSH session to the machine, and after that we will starting our web application. If we look here, we have a web application, Python application. I just be sure that the application is working. Okay, the application should now work on its IP and 8080 port. So if I go here, can go to security and then web security scanner, and this is web security scanner here. Okay, we can start by make a new scan, but we have to be sure before using web security scanner that we in our APIs enable the web security scanner API. If it's not enabled, we have to go to the APIs and enable this API, web security scanner. Okay, if you go here, the API is enabled because we see here the button of manage. If it's disabled, we will see another button called enable. So the API is enabled and we can use the Google the Cloud Web Security Scanner. We can start by making a new scan. We can make it have any name. Okay, for the IP, we'll have to use the IP of our virtual machine. So if we go here, this is the IP of our virtual machine. Okay, the scanner is smart enough to know the IP because we have only one application now working, but we have to add the port 8080. As you can see here, the application is working on port 8080. For authentication, it's none, and we will keep it none, but this can be used if you are testing an application and this application have some demo user. In this case, you can give to the scanner those demo users, so it's just not scan by go to all the available URLs in the application, but also using the demo users to log into the application. We can use here if we want to make this scan done in every month, in every day, in every week, and so on. And also we have some other option here, such as the agent that will be used for scanning. Here it's Chrome on Linux. There is also Chrome on Android, on Safari, on iPhone. We will keep it Chrome on Linux. So the scanner, when scans the application, it will scan it as if the user use Chrome on Linux. For maximum scan speed, we can choose 20 to make it more faster, and we can click save. We save our scan, but we don't scan our application till now, so we can click run. Okay, so the scan is starting. Okay, our application is working on 8080 port. I will also see the cross-site scripting issue in our application. I will go to its IP and add the port 8080. This is a very demo app, small app. I will write here in in this box a small script such as alert test cross-site scripting. When I click the button, we'll see here the JavaScript code that we write is working in our application, which is very dangerous. The attacker can use something like that to make a very dangerous action on behalf of our users. So we are waiting to the scanner to scan the application and let us know if the scanner can detect this security weakness. Also, if we go to our application, you can see here the scanner is starting sending HTTP request to our application, and because our application is small, somehow in about maybe 3 minutes or something like that, it will finish the scanning and give us a report about the security issues that can detect in our application. The scanner keeping sending request to the application, and also we can think about how we can close this security issue after the scanner detects them. This is an across-site scripting, so after the scanner end scanning our application, we will try to close the issue and scan the application again. We'll return to the application main page. Okay, here the scan is done, and as you can see here, the cross-site scripting is detected in our application. So we have now to know it's in the main URL of the application. So we know that there is a cross-site scripting issue in our application in this URL. So we have to close this issue and resolve it. So we will close the, our application now and writing this command nano to editing in our application. This is a very simple application, a demo application. So here, this is the cause of our issue. So we will uncomment this line of code and commit this one. So instead of making the input string being used directly, we will try to handle the issue and detect if there is any scripting used in our application used while the user using our application. So I will now save our new version of our application and go back to the scanner, and I will click run again. So the application will be scanned again. Okay, in this time we can refresh. We have to make it work again. So our application is working now in port 8080. So it's now working again. We will write the script again that we used before. Hi, cross-site scripting, and we will click post. In this case, as you can see here, JavaScript code is not working. It's just added as a normal text to our web page. So we have resolved the issue, and the scanner now should, after finishing the scanning, say to us our application is secured from this security issue. Again, we have to be sure that we have enabled the web security scanner API from APIs here before we can use the web security scanner. Web security scanner can detect a lot of security issues, not only cross-site scripting. It can detect SQL injections and other security issues in the OWASP top 10. So if there a small time, we will see that the scanner can say our application is free from cross-site scripting. We have to know, because we are using a demo app, the time of scanning is small, but actually if we have a real application, it will have some time before it can finish scanning. And it's important also to make periodic scanning, and make it maybe every week, every day, every month, something like that. And this will make us sure we can detect any new issue that that added to our application, a new version of or if somebody of the developer add a new code to our application and make a new version. So we have always to be sure our application is free from security issues. As you can see here, no issue found, so the cross-site scripting is resolved. I hope our video today help you in your study journey, and let you know about web security scanner. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.